Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are not just apps you use every day. They also run the largest cloud platforms in the world. But here's the biggest question: AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud? Which one is better? In this video, we will compare them in a simple and real life way. We will look at pros, use cases, and industries so you can clearly understand where each one shines.
What is a cloud provider?
A cloud provider is like a digital landlord. Instead of buying your own server and storage and data centers, you rent the computing power over the internet. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud all do this, but they serve different kind of businesses.
Overview.
Think of them like a vehicle. AWS is a powerful truck, strong and flexible. Azure is a luxury company car, perfect for the company and enterprises. Google Cloud is a smart electric car, fast and data-driven. Now let's break them down one by one.
Amazon Web Services.
AWS is the oldest and largest cloud provider in the world. It was built from Amazon's experience running massive online systems. Most mature and reliable cloud platform, huge number of services and global data center, excellent for startup and large companies alike. Industries using AWS are e-commerce, media and streaming, startups, and SaaS companies. Some real-life users are Netflix, Airbnb, Spotify, and Amazon.com. If flexibility and scale matters most, AWS is often the first choice.
Microsoft Azure.
Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform and is deeply connected to Windows and Office tools. Best for companies already using Microsoft product, strong security and compliances, easy integration with existing enterprise system. Industries using Azure are banking and finance, healthcare, and government and large enterprises. Some real-life users are BMW, Samsung, and government agencies. If a company already runs on a Microsoft, Azure feels like a natural extension.
Google Cloud Platform.
Google Cloud is built on the same technology that runs Google Search, YouTube, and Gmail. Excellent in data analytics and AI, fast and clean infrastructure, strong in machine learning and big data workload. Industries using Google Cloud are AI and data-driven companies, media and digital platform, and research and analytics firm. Real-life users are YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, and Spotify. If data, analytics, and AI are your focus, Google Cloud stands out. When you shop on Amazon, stream on Netflix, or use apps like Spotify, you are actually using AWS even if you don't know it. Amazon Web Services or AWS is the technology quietly powering a huge part of the internet. So what exactly is AWS and why do so many companies rely on it? Let's break it down simply.
What is AWS?
AWS is a cloud computing platform created by Amazon. Instead of buying expensive servers and building data centers, business can rent computing power, storage, and databases from AWS over the internet. You pay only for what you use, like electricity or water.
Why AWS was created?
Amazon originally built AWS to solve its own problems. Running Amazon.com required massive servers that could handle the traffic spikes, holiday shopping, and millions of users. Amazon realized this infrastructure is so powerful, other companies might want to use it too. That idea became AWS.
What can you do with AWS?
With AWS, companies can host website and mobile apps, store and backup data, run databases, stream video and music, build AI and machine learning system, scale up or down instantly. Whether you are a startup or a global enterprise, AWS can grow with you.
Popular AWS services.
AWS offers hundreds of services, but some of the most common ones are EC2, Virtual servers in the cloud. S3, storage for files, images, and videos. RDS, managed database. Lambda, run code without managing servers. You don't need to learn everything at once. Most users start small.
Who uses AWS?
AWS is used by some of the biggest companies in the world: Netflix, Airbnb, Spotify, Amazon.com. It's also used by startups, schools, governments, and developers everywhere.
Why AWS is so popular?
AWS became popular because it offers global reach, high reliability, massive scalability, strong security, pay as you go by pricing. That's why AWS is still the largest cloud provider in the world.
AWS and careers.
AWS skills are high in demand. Jobs like cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, solution architect, data engineer. Learning AWS opens doors across many industries. So what is AWS? AWS is the cloud platform that lets business build, scale, and innovate without owning server. It's powerful, flexible, and used everywhere. When companies use Windows, Outlook, Teams, or Excel at work, they are already part of Microsoft ecosystem. Behind many of those systems is Microsoft Azure, one of the largest cloud platforms in the world. So what exactly is Azure? And why do so many enterprises trust it? Let's break it down simply.
What is Microsoft Azure?
Microsoft Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform. Instead of buying and managing physical servers, business can use Azure to run applications, store data, and manage systems over the internet. Just like utilities, you pay only for what you use.
Why Azure exists?
Microsoft created Azure to support the growing needs of modern business. Companies already relied heavily on Windows servers, Office, and enterprise softwares. Azure made it possible to move those systems into cloud without starting over. That's why Azure feels familiar to many organizations.
What can you do with Azure?
With Azure, organizations can host business application and website, run virtual machines, store and backup data securely, build hybrid and cloud solution, use AI analytics and automation tools. Azure works especially well in large, complex IT environment.
Popular Azure services.
Some of Azure's most widely used services include Azure Virtual Machine, cloud-based servers, Azure Storage, secure data storage, Azure SQL databases, managed databases, Azure Active Directory, identity and access management. These tools integrate seamlessly with Microsoft products.
Who uses Azure?
Azure is trusted by many large organizations including banks and financial institutions, healthcare providers, governments, global enterprises. Companies like BMW, Samsung, and public sector agencies rely on Azure.
Why Azure is so popular?
Azure stands out because of strong security and compliances, deep integration with Microsoft tools, excellent support for hybrid cloud, enterprise-grade reliability. For many companies, Azure feels like a natural extension of their existing systems.
Azure and careers.
Azure skills are in high demand. Popular Azure-related roles include cloud administration, Azure engineering, DevOps engineering, and solution architect. Azure careers are growing rapidly, especially in enterprise environments. So what is Microsoft Azure? Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform designed to secure enterprise-ready computing. If you already live in Microsoft world, Azure fits right in. When you search on Google, watch video on YouTube, or send emails on Gmail, you are using a system that handles billions of users every day. That same powerful technology is available to business through Google Cloud Platform or GCP. So what is Google Cloud? and why is it known for data and AI? Let's break it down simply.
What is Google Cloud Platform?
Google Cloud Platform is Google's cloud computing platform. It allows companies to run applications, store data, analyze information, and build AI systems using Google Scale infrastructure. Instead of owning servers, you rent computing power over the internet and scale instantly.
Why Google Cloud exists?
Google built its cloud to solve massive problems. Google Search, YouTube, Maps, and Gmail needed infrastructure that was extremely fast, highly reliable, designed for huge amount of data. That same technology became Google Cloud Platform.
What can you do with GCP?
With Google Cloud's organizations can host modern web and mobile applications, store and analyze massive data sets, build machine learning and AI models, run containers and microservices, process real-time data. GCP is especially strong in data analytics and artificial intelligence.
Popular Google Cloud services.
Some of Google Cloud's most popular services include Compute Engine, virtual machines, cloud storage, scalable object storage, BigQuery, fast serverless data analytics, Kubernetes Engine, containers management, Vertex AI, machine learning platform. These tools are designed for speed, efficiency, and scale.
Who uses Google Cloud?
Google Cloud is used by data-driven startups, media and digital platforms, research and analytics companies. Real-world users include YouTube, Snapchat, Spotify, and Twitter.
Why Google Cloud stands out?
Google Cloud stands out because of industry-leading data analytics, strong AI and machine learning tools, clean and fast infrastructure, leadership in Kubernetes and containers. For organizations focused on data, GCP is a powerful choice.
Google Cloud and careers.
Google Cloud skills are in high demand for roles like data engineer, cloud engineer, machine learning engineer, and DevOps engineer. GCP is especially valuable for careers in AI and data science. So what is Google Cloud Platform? GCP is Google's platform built for speed, data, and intelligence. If data, analytics, and AI matter most, Google Cloud shines. If this video helped you understanding Google Cloud clearly, deploy a like, subscribe for more Cloud Explained Simply, and I will see you in the next video in the clouds.